East London, and COVID has shone a light into how bad this store's shoplifting problem was.
Our turnover went up, but we didn't see the profit. So then we realised, how can we not see the profit?
Just 1 week later, and they were trialling the very latest high-tech solution.
Veesion is an AI that automatically detects theft in real time in your store. In fact, it's a small box that's connecting to your existing CCTVs and is able to detect suspicious movement of your customers.
The artificial intelligence in this system is like having a separate security guard watching every camera, constantly looking out for suspicious behaviour.
So there are 3 types of AI we are able to detect, let's say. So the first type is human recognition. The second one is about body parts, analyzing the body parts. And the third type is about items, because of course the AI should be able to make the difference between mobile phone, between a lot of stuff that are not useful to detect.
The computer then automatically detects 5 different types of movement that a shoplifter will make. Hiding items in bags, under coats or prams, or bulk stealing of the same item. The system is also clever enough to detect those shoplifters who put items in the basket first before hiding them in their pocket when they think no one is watching. And there's a 5th.
So I'm coming into a store, I'm doing my shopping like normal, and then I'm starting to eat something inside the store.
And once a suspicious behaviour is identified, an alert is created.
So let's say I come inside the store and I take an item, I put it in my jacket, in my purse. The AI will detect it, will cut a video footage between 8 to 10 seconds of the shoplifting itself.
Straight away they catch it and they just send it to us through our app, through the phone.
The AI is watching the CCTVs, and that's all it's doing. Like, let's imagine you have a security guard watching all the day your CCTVs. It's exactly the same, but it's able to watch multiple screens at the same time. A security guard, a good one, is able to watch 6 screens at the same time. An AI, of course, you can guess it's hundreds of screens at the same time.
To stop quite a few people, and since we've had it installed.
The system has even managed to convert shoplifting attempts into sales.
We approached him, can we use the basket next time? And then he joined the queue to pay for the goods.
For Andy, so far it's proving to be the ideal solution to his shoplifter problem.
If you think they haven't taken, you can offer them a basket. So that way they know they've been watched. So they'll go around and put it back in the basket. We want them to know that they've been watched. Next time they're careful, they won't come.